Welcome to another exciting episode here at Technology in the Future. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the much-anticipated Sony A7V. This latest release from Sony is pushing the limits of what full-frame mirrorless cameras can do. With newly revealed specs, pricing, and the confirmed release date, it's clear that Sony is setting the stage for a new era in both photography and videography. Join me as we explore all the exciting new features and updates in this powerhouse camera and discuss why the A7V might just become the go-to tool for creators across the globe. Let's get started. Overview of the Sony A7V. The Sony A7V is making waves in the photography and videography world with its promise to deliver superior image quality and top-tier video capabilities. If you're on the hunt for the perfect hybrid shooter that excels in both stills and video, the A7V could be exactly what you've been waiting for. Sony continues to innovate with some impressive upgrades, especially in the areas of sensor technology, autofocus performance, and video functionality. Is the A7V the all-in-one solution creators have been dreaming of? Let's find out. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the A7V is an exciting new 33MP full-frame stacked sensor. This sensor upgrade promises faster readout speeds effectively, reducing common issues like rolling shutter, especially in video. Sony has also focused on enhancing low-light capabilities, with rumors suggesting the camera will offer a dynamic range that could exceed 15 stops. For creators working in challenging lighting conditions, this is a game-changer. The result will be ultra-clear images with vibrant colors and exceptional detail, making the A7V a must-have for both professionals and hobbyists. Battery life and power management. One of the most practical upgrades for the A7V is its improved battery life. While it still uses the NP-FZ100 battery, the camera's enhanced power efficiency will allow for longer, uninterrupted shoots. Plus, with the rumored addition of USB power delivery, PD, charging the camera will be faster and more convenient, especially when you're on the move. This is a major win for creators who need to keep their gear powered throughout long, demanding sessions. Pricing and market position. Sony has always struck a balance between performance and cost, and the A7V appears to be no different. Early leaks suggest it will be priced between $2,500 and $2,800, placing it in the mid to high tier range. While that may seem like a substantial investment, the A7V's combination of stellar image quality, professional-grade video specs, and industry-leading autofocus make it a formidable competitor against models like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 III. For serious creators looking to take their craft to the next level, the A7V could be the perfect fit. Connectivity and workflow improvements. For those who rely on fast and efficient workflows, the A7V is expected to deliver some exciting upgrades. It is rumored to feature dual-band Wi-Fi 6, allowing for lightning-fast file transfers, as well as a USB-C port for quicker data handling. The inclusion of dual card slots supporting both CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards will also streamline file management, making it easier to shoot and store large files. Furthermore, better integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app is expected, offering cloud-based storage and enhanced remote control features, making the A7V an even more attractive option for professionals on the go. Videography features. The A7V doesn't just excel in photography, it's built for videographers too. With the ability to record in 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS with 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, this camera is all about delivering cinematic quality footage. To address overheating issues, Sony has integrated an advanced heat dissipation system, similar to that of the A1, ensuring longer shooting times. Enhanced stabilization and dual-gain ISO will also help capture smooth, professional-grade video, even in tricky lighting conditions. Autofocus and tracking. When it comes to autofocus, Sony is setting the bar even higher with the A7V. With improved real-time tracking and AI-driven algorithms, this camera will make it easier to capture fast-moving subjects, perfect for sports and action shots. Its low-light autofocus performance is expected to be exceptional, making it an excellent choice for nighttime or astrophotography. Additionally, the eye autofocus feature for both humans and animals ensures crisp, sharp results, no matter what the subject is doing. Design and build. The A7V continues the legacy of Sony's ergonomic and user-friendly design with a few key upgrades. The grip is reportedly deeper, offering better comfort during long shooting sessions. The camera is also expected to feature improved weather sealing, making it a more durable option for outdoor shooting in various conditions. A larger, more responsive LCD screen is also expected, providing a better user experience, especially for those who switch between photo and video modes frequently. Conclusion: the A7V's potential. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a top contender in the full-frame mirrorless camera market. With an advanced sensor, cutting-edge autofocus, and exceptional video capabilities, this camera is likely to become a go-to choice for creators across the globe. If the rumored specs hold true, the A7V will set a new standard for hybrid cameras, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in both stills and video. While we're still waiting for Sony to confirm the final details, the excitement around this release is palpable. Wrap up if you're in the market for a versatile camera that excels in both photography and videography, the Sony A7V is definitely one to watch. Make sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.